Hi, we've got the back end of Fort Mason City Park. There is their rodeo stuff back there, playground a little bit closer. This is the back bathroom. You see there's some RV spots, but what I really like about this, you can see the golf course in back there. What I really like about this place is that they have tent only spaces. You'll see this is the campsite area. It says no vehicles beyond this point. There are 3 electricity poles. That's our tent. But you could fit more than 3 tents back here. There's plenty of space, but it's great because you're not competing with RVs. Now there is a street lamp there. There's lots of lights, lots of street lights. So it is a little bright if that bothers you at night. We have a dark rest tent, so it doesn't bother us. But it's a really nice campsite. I mean, it's a city park. There is a nature trail that's like a mile. It's not much, but we've been here for a few days. We're going to be here for a few more days, and it's keeping us totally occupied. And there is, let me get a closer look at this. So there is a water hookup. And then you've got the full, all sorts of plugs in here. I guess these are 30s. I don't know. That's my little guy. He's asleep. He's napping. But really clean. And we've been really happy here. There's a bunch of deer. But yeah, it's quiet. But it's winter. So I don't know if that's why it's so quiet. But we've had a good time. You'd enjoy it. These tent only sites, even if you're using electricity, only $10 a night, which is awesome. Hey, bud.